Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm about to show you how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to your Coinbase account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, in order to transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to Coinbase, so then you'll have to copy the wallet address of Coinbase. So for that, open up your Coinbase application, and once you're logged into your account, next tap on prices, or you can even tap on finances. So after that, you'll have to tap on Bitcoin, and on the other page the interface will look something like this. So then you have the scanner, and right at the bottom you have the wallet address. So all you have to do is copy it, and after you're done copying the wallet address, next open up your Cash App. And once you open up your Cash App, this is what the interface is going to look like. And then tap on the invest option located right at the bottom. On the other page, make sure to select Bitcoin. And once you tap on it, this is what the interface is going to look like. And after that, tap on the arrow icon located right in the corner. After you tap on the arrow icon, next you'll have to select the amount. And once you're done selecting the amount, tap on continue. So then paste the wallet address that you've recently copied. So once you're done pasting the wallet address, after that tap on next in the top right corner. So next page you'll have to confirm all of your information, so make sure to go through it and then tap on confirm. So that is how you can transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to your Coinbase account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.